If you've got a chimney, you're about to be a lot smarter about protecting it. Whether you're battling rain, snow, curious critters, or just trying to keep your fireplace working like a charm, we're here to help you find the perfect chimney cap. And don't worry, no boring lectures here. Let's jump in. Why you actually need a chimney cap. Imagine rain pouring down your chimney like it's trying to move in, or a raccoon thinking your fireplace is his new bachelor pad. No thanks. A chimney cap keeps out water, animals, debris, and even cuts down on annoying downdrafts. It's like a little umbrella, but way tougher. Which metal should you pick? At High C, we make our caps from 4 awesome metals: aluminum, galvannealed steel, stainless steel, and copper. Each has its own personality, kind of like your weird uncles at Thanksgiving. Let's size them up. Aluminum, the lightweight champ. Strengths: super light and fits lots of different chimney sizes. Corrosion resistant against rain and snow. Wallet friendly, usually between $90 and $200. Weaknesses: not the best if you're serious about critter defense. Next, we've got galvannealed steel, the upgraded version of classic galvanized. Strengths: affordable and battle-tested. Prices range from $50 to $325. Good everyday protection for most homes. Tons of stock sizes and easy custom options. Weaknesses: not the best buddy for salty coastal air. Might need a replacement down the road. Now stainless steel, the Fort Knox of chimney caps. Strengths: incredibly durable and corrosion-proof. Built to outsmart wildlife invasions. Perfect for homes near saltwater. Solid investment. Expect to pay between $80 and $500. Weaknesses: heavier weight may require more secure installation. Last but definitely not least, copper. Fancy, classy, a little bougie. Strengths: looks absolutely stunning. Naturally toughens up with a beautiful patina. Great weather protection. Weaknesses: higher price tag up front, but it's like buying the Rolls-Royce of caps. You're looking at $375 to $1,200. Choosing your champion. Here's the deal. If you're budget conscious, galvannealed steel or aluminum are solid bets. If you're ready to invest a bit more for serious protection, stainless steel is your MVP. If you want your neighbors to secretly envy your chimney, well, copper's calling your name. No matter which material you fall for, making sure it fits is just as important. Check out our chimney cap sizing guide. We've made it super easy. Thanks for watching. Stay dry, stay critter-free, and keep that fireplace cozy.